Hi Jets families, here's how to help your child read decodable sentence at home.
Decodable sentences use sounds, words, and patterns your child has already learned, and we put all of this together to read aloud a sentence.
Now step 1, read the sentence. Ask your child to read the sentence slowly. If they get stuck, encourage them to sound out the word and blend the sounds together. The decodable words are ones that they've been practicing over the past few weeks. The tricky words, also known as sight words, are the ones they need to recognise automatically, as these often can't be sounded out.
Step 2, read it again. Once they've read the sentence, read it again together.
Step 3, build fluency. The second time, try to read the sentence more smoothly and a little faster. This helps build fluency and confidence.
Now a helpful tip is reading the same sentence 4 to 5 times, as this will help to become smooth and more automatic.
Now this step is where everything comes together, the sounds, blending, sight words and fluency. So just keep practicing a few minutes each day to make a big difference. Thanks guys.
Thank you.